That's a brown, yeah. Dude!
Oh my word!
Look at the animal. Look at the body on it. That's like might be an 18.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, that is incredible.
Dude. Nice.
He's like swimming towards me. Oh, my net's all trapped. He's a little bit too small to fret about. Oh yeah, he wasn't getting off. Are you stuck? There's a little one. Wait, don't walk. Cast from here. There was a big old swipe when it landed.
You see that, Cairo? You see that?
Hey, he's nice, not bad. There he is. Little one. You can get off, buddy. Nope, not coming off. Whew, yeah, he was not getting off. Bud. Dang it. That was a lot of effort for...
I can tell how big it was. He was getting moving.
Right? I was like right on. There were several other strikes.
It kind of cast across your line. I didn't want to mess with your
Cast again, brother.
castigation.
Oop. There we go. There he is. Another cutie. His tail's kind of messed up. See that?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Look at that childhood trauma.
Right? Classic.
Oh,
Net.
yeah, baby.
Nice. Very nice. Hey, that's not bad, huh?
Yeah. That's a pretty good 12 plus.
Yeah, it's good.
It's like drowning in its own juices.
See, I can get them
Yeah.
bigger. Let's see how big it is. 14, I'm guessing. Ooh, 13 and a half.
0.75.
Can we put him on? Oh, if you put like a hoodie on or something, which is what I plan on doing.
Yeah, I've got Come on, fish. Yeah.
Oh, dude, did you see him coming?
I did.
Hey, it's been a minute for you, hasn't it?
We're gooping.
We're gooping.
Yippee! Happy, happy, happy.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Oh, oh. Come on. Whoa. That is outrageous.
I picked him off. Oh man. I think maybe my little dot things are working. What do you think?
Yeah.
That little red thing on there?
Do me a favor and check my circles.
Yeah, sure.
I checked it, but you know, after that, it struck mine like 6 times, and then you got it.
I don't know if it was the same fish.
It had to be, dude.
He was like, you know what? This guy clearly doesn't want to catch me. I'll go over here. Let me see him. Check the time. Probably like what, 4 or something like that. Dude, I'm triggered. I didn't get one in there. That was. They were like, slam, slam, slam.
You gotta kill. Nice. Nice.
It's actually not a bad one. If you want to net it. Thank you, sir.
No problem, sir.
I think it came off. Oh no. Brother, hey, 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 hey.
Oh.
Quick, grab it. He is 11 if you want to put him on.
Perfect.
If you want to slip him on your stringer.
Yippee. So what you gotta do is you gotta undo this.
All right. Gonna let this guy go. Under technically.
Yeah.
Dude, I had like either I was hitting bottom. I was gonna say, or I was getting like a million hits in there.
That one.
Let's try that again. Take him to your left. You're reaching for him, which is your mistake.
Right. You're saying
No. Other way.
to my left.
Yeah. Ideally, then you bring him down into the net. Bring the net up to him now.
Oh, I know what you mean. You mean something like this. Like this?
No, you want to take.
I don't know what you mean.
You want to, okay. He's behind you, right?
Yeah.
You want to have him come down, and you want to kind of steer him into your net and bring your net up. You're bringing them together.
Okay.
What you're doing is you're taking your net and.
This and going like this. In theory.
Well, keep your rod more forward. Yes, that was perfect. There you go.
Okay. This is keeper though.
He's at 11.
Yeah, it looks like 11. I'm glad it didn't come off during that demonstration.
Yeah, that's 11. There you go.
Perfect.
Okay, now you can keep.
Beautiful.
That'd be 3, 4. You can keep 1 over 12 now.
Yeah.
Oh, chased him. See? Boop. He's a chunky one. Come on.
It's not bad.
Yeah. He's like 11 on the dot. I'm not gonna keep. No, always I gotta be done for the day.
Yep,
so.
yep.
Who's a pretty fish? Yeah, real pretty. Here you go, bud. All right, let's get this. There we go. Here, buddy. I mean, it's a good sign we're probably gonna catch fish tomorrow at least, because it's already cold. There we go. Not really gonna hold. I'm trying to keep my hands dry because they're gonna be a lot warmer if they're dry. It's a big, little wide pool here. Wide pool. Hey, there you go. Nice. Oh, I thought it got off. It's still on, still on.
We'll call that a catch.
Nice, dude. Hey, my spinner works.
Yeah. It's like an 11-inch.
Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Come on, buddy. My hand is still wet. I dropped one of my GoPro batteries into the water. Oh,
What?
I dropped a GoPro battery into the water.
Oh.
Hey, buddy.